Good day, guys. Back in the vlog right now. Yeah, I'm going out to return some things. I bought some on-cloud shoes, which you don't care about if I buy, but I'm just gonna tell you still, because this is my vlog. Yeah, I just bought. I bought a lot of items this week and last week. No, start of January, and I'm starting to return some of them. And yeah, we bought one on-cloud shoes for Laura, and this time I bought this on-cloud shoes for me also. It's the Cloud Ultra. It's for like adventure running, and it has nice traction underneath. But I tried to wear it, and the top part was not comfortable. I'm not saying the shoes is bad. The shoes is good, but it doesn't work for me. And when I fold, I can see the crease in the shoe, so I didn't like it. I'm returning it now. I'm sending you. They sent me a return label, which is nice here. First country kids. Anyway, I'm gonna go out to the mailbox, no, the Post to mail it, and then I'm gonna go to Kohl's to do some stuff. But anyway, let's start the day. It's around 3 p.m. I'm starting my day at 3 p.m. You're right. Yeah. And at the same time also, ouch! I have plantar fasciitis. I know it's just me self-medicating, but the thing is my foot hurts and hurts a lot, and it's shit. But anyway, I had this when I went to the Philippines once, and it was on the other foot. This one is on my right foot, which was a foot that I broke when I had a car crash. You didn't really know. Anyway, so yeah, it hurts. Like when you sit down, when you take a break, it's fine. But when you start to move, when you start to use your foot, it hurts a lot. So what you need to do is just stretch your muscle. I'm not an expert, but it's what you. What the fuck is that? It's what you need to do. Just stretch the muscle, the curve of your foot. Changing the light. Damn it, that's wrong. Okay, that lighting setting was weird. That's me being. Anyway, I need to go. You need to stop blabbering. Playing Bon Jovi now. Yeah, can't let you hear it, but yeah, playing Bon Jovi. Yeah, so I started to have this plantar fasciitis. I don't know what to say. I'm not a doctor. I'm not an expert with words, but yeah, I had this last week. Yeah, I think last week, and I had to shoot a wedding, so it was like stressful a bit shooting a wedding, and it hurts, but I was able to make it through that wedding. I was shooting with Billy then, and yeah, but now it still hurts, so I need to stretch the muscle more. So getting up in the morning is so hard, because the thing is, when you try to get up, your foot is rested, and when you try to move it hurts a lot. You need to stretch the muscle to start moving. So if you're not in a hurry to get up, you can just maybe massage your foot, or okay, there's a car. There's a car. Yeah, you just need to massage your foot, like stretch the curvature of your foot, and the next time you're gonna step, it's gonna feel better. So you have to do that before you move. Like when I'm editing for a long time, I'm just sitting there, and yeah, as soon as I try to move around, as soon as I try to, oh fuck this car, what the oh, this is annoying. So as soon as you decide to move, and yeah, it hurts. Just try to this car in front of me. Anyway, yeah, back to what I was saying. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. It happens most of the times when I don't have good footwear, and when I try to run or step on my foot, and I just flattened the curvature of my foot, and it's gonna break some muscles. It's gonna tear some muscles, and that's when this thing's gonna hurt. And yeah, it hurts a lot. I'm near the post office now. What makes things worse is that the foot that's been affected right now is the foot that I hurt before. Like I used to hit my. Shut this up, okay? The foot that got hurt now is the foot that had a broken calcaneus, or a broken heel bone, just because I was driving then in the Philippines, recklessly driving, got into a car crash, broke my calcaneus because I was on the brakes. I skidded like a few meters, so that heel bone is broken, and once the muscle's broken underneath, it's even deformed. I can't show you because it's ugly, but yeah, it's broken, and I haven't had surgery with it because I just had a cast and I had it heal. The heel is deformed, but it's still fine. When I wear shoes, it's different because the other heel feels different. But yeah, at this point, when this thing hurts, I feel like the trauma or the hurt in that foot is also being, I don't know, affected, because the foot's not the usual. Yeah, but it's not really the broken bone is on the heel side, but most of the tears or the issue is with the curvature of the foot. So yeah, that's it. My milk here, it's empty. Damn it. It's pretty warm today. I was just chilling at home after doing groceries because again my foot hurts, and now Kai is contacting me. He needs my help, so I'm heading there. So what apparently happened is that Kai is shooting a wedding now, and he forgot his V1 batteries, like the flash batteries, and I have around 5 on the flash that I bought from Johnny, and I have 2 on my other 2 flashes. So I have a total of around 7 of them. Kai has more, but the thing is, yeah, he was charging it and he forgot to bring it. So I'm here to rescue him. Oh yeah. Yeah, 25-minute drive. Let's go. My hair looks good. Nice. It looks bad. It looks awful. And yeah, all I can say now is that they're lucky they have a friend who delivers gears when they need them, and also tries to take over whatever the shoot is if the photographer or videographer doesn't show up. So yeah, that's me. You're welcome, guys. Yeah, and saying that, guys, please don't abuse me. I'm helping you out. I'm a good friend. Don't abuse me. So I'm here at Library Falls, and I'm waiting for Kai because I'm going to deliver this to him. Batteries. And I'm wearing shorts, so I can't go in. It's Adrian. God. So I didn't film much. I was just there quick, and Kai was busy, so we didn't have time to chat. They're trying to do the cake cutting around 6:30. I arrived there at 6:21, so they have around 9 minutes to shoot the couple and everything else. So yeah, I had to head out now, and yeah, I'm gonna go home. I think my vlog's gonna be up to this one. I don't think there's not anything new coming up, but yeah, that's it for today, guys, and see you next time. See ya, man.
Bye. Thank you.
Yeah, take care, man.